The Vine and the Branches. Once in a humble village there lived a wise teacher named Joshua. He often gathered the villagers under a large ancient olive tree to share stories that held profound truth. One day as the sun dipped low, casting golden hues over the fields, Joshua began to tell a tale about a vineyard. In a vineyard, Joshua began, there was a sturdy vine, and from it grew many branches. The vine dressed itself in vibrant leaves and bore clusters of grapes that were both sweet and nourishing. The branches too flourished as they stayed connected to the vine. He continued, "These branches you see are like people in fellowship with God." Remaining connected to God is like a branch abiding in a vine. The vine gives life to the branches, and the branches in turn bear fruit. Joshua spoke of the purpose of this fellowship. Just as the vine and the branches are one, fellowship with God brings you close to Him. It's about knowing Him intimately and feeling His presence in your life and aligning your purpose with His divine will. The villagers listened intensely, their faces reflecting a blend of curiosity and understanding. The wise teacher then shared a parable about the benefits of such fellowship. "Imagine a traveler parched and weary," he said, "and fellowship with God you find a wellspring of joy and a path leading to fulfillment. Like a traveler finding an oasis, you discover that in His presence there is fullness of joy and pleasures forevermore." As the sun sank below the horizon, Joshua illustrated what fellowship with God looks like using the story of a close-knit community. "Picture a group of friends," he said, "who share not only moments of joy, but also support each other in times of need. And fellowship with God, you become part of a community bound by love, encouragement, and unity, much like a family of believers." The wise teacher concluded with a reflection on the virtues that naturally blossom from true fellowship with God. Just as good trees bear good fruit, Joshua said, fellowship with God produces the fruits of the Spirit: love, joy, peace, forbearance, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. As the villagers dispersed into the gathering dust, the teachings of Joshua lingered in their hearts, inspiring them to seek a deeper connection with the divine vine, knowing that in such fellowship they would find abundant life and bear fruit that would bless the world around them. Today's story was inspired by John chapter 15, verse 4 through 5. "Remain in me, as I also remain in you. No branch can bear fruit by itself. It must remain in the vine. Neither can you bear fruit unless you remain in me. I am the vine, you are the branches. If you remain in me, and I in you, you will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing."